This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Open the driver's door, reach under the fascia and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the safety catch, then fully open the bonnet. Release the clip, remove the battery cover and terminal cover, then slacken the nut and pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and pull the positive lead clamp from the terminal. Undo the retaining bolt and remove the battery clamp. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Note that the plastic insulation may come away with the battery. Locate the battery into the tray with the terminals adjacent to the air cleaner ducting. Where applicable, refit the plastic insulation around the battery. Refit the battery clamp and tighten the retaining bolt securely. Press the positive lead clamp firmly down onto the battery positive terminal, then tighten the clamp nut. Reconnect the negative lead clamp to the negative terminal in the same manner. Apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals and clamps to help prevent corrosion. Refit the terminal cover where applicable, then refit the battery cover. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.